This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Town Realty property video is presented by Lisa Murdoch. Well-maintained home in established neighborhood. Custom swirled ceiling in living room, fresh paint throughout, easy to maintain laminate floors and new carpet, some blinds provided. Open eat-in kitchen, lots of cabinets, large laundry room with washer and dryer hookups. 3 comfortable bedrooms and 1 full bath. Large corner lot yard with partially fenced yard. Appliances include electric stove and refrigerator, as is no other appliances provided. Convenient to Coast Guard Station, Olde Towne, highway access, restaurants, shopping and more. Small pets considered with additional deposit and pet rent and positive references. Additional fees, 30